Hello my lovely crafty people, and we are back with Junk Journal January, and today is day 20, which is home. And home for me is somewhere safe, somewhere where I can be myself unapologetically, where friends and family can come to feel safe, to feel loved, and just be yourself. So this is a tricky one for me to represent in a collage, but I thought let's carry on with that little mouse. So where was my mouse with his dream? Where is he gone? So we had our little mouse dreaming of a family and dreaming of a home and dreaming of just being with others because he's a little sad face. So what I thought I'd do today is continue that theme of his and create him a little home to be in. So yesterday we did envelopes and I have stuffed the envelopes. I have had another couple of goes and I still can't work out how to just finish that flat, but hey ho, the envelopes worked anyway. So today we actually have got the mouse on a page. I'm just trying to find my pegs. I've tidied up my craft desk in the last few days, so nothing is where it was. Everything's moved. I've just been trying to have a declutter, January declutter, and get rid of stuff. I've had a massive cull of my stickers, which we've put into the giveaway. And so we're going to carry on today with home. Stay. There we go. Right, so we have got these little mice, Mrs. Mouse's mooses, and they kind of are together. But let's bring in some more mice from more of this paper and let's include them on the page. So we've got an abundance of people in your home. I'm one of those people, if I didn't have to leave my house for work and shopping and stuff like that, I wouldn't. I would quite happily just stay in my home, doing my own thing, not interacting with anybody, which is really bad. And I do sometimes have to push myself out of my comfort zone. So that's going to go on there, which covers up that little mouse. But we've got, let's see if we can't bring that over a bit. I don't really want to cover up those two little micey mooses because they're so cute. Yeah, let's just tear this a little bit closer. And I am going to keep it really simple today. I'm just going to put home is, and we're just going to add in, actually, let's come round him. Let's have that one. Let's just have that coming down there. There we go. And I'm just going to stick it on and use a little bit of this lino print, not lino print, what was it? Gel plate print that we did. And just give it a background. So I'm just going to stick that on. Don't necessarily need it all the way round. So just like that, because we're not going, so this bit here, I'm going to actually bring right in, and then we're going to come out over the top and just have that little bit. Just that little bit to give it that extra layer, that extra depth, and then pull it right across like that. There we go. So we've got our little mouses, Mrs. Mouses. Let's stick them down. And we will go in with the glitter pens in a minute, but quite like that. Let's think about a little message we can write. What have we been writing with the brown? Bearing with, they've moved as well. So, home is home is a warm welcome, somewhere to be free to be me. Oh, didn't need that one there. Somewhere safe, a warm welcome, somewhere free to be me. Mine. What else did I say? I said it's somewhere safe, it's somewhere warm, it's somewhere cozy, it's somewhere where I feel loved and appreciated. Okay, and then let's home is so home is somewhere safe, a warm welcome, somewhere to be free to be me, where I feel loved and appreciated. So let's just make this little Missy Mousey. Let's make his home. A little bit more warm. Let's give him welcome home. So it's a quick one today. Yeah, just really my sentiments of home. It is a warm, safe space. It's a space where I can just be me. And as I said, if I didn't have to go out for work, I wouldn't. I'm a bit of an introvert, which might surprise you as I do these videos. But these videos push me out of my comfort zone. But that's good. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me on my journey. And, oh, we haven't stuck the word in home. Where should we stick? Let's have that just down in this bottom corner. Home. There we go. So home is done. I'm just going to add a little bit more glitter up the top there. And then we are done with home. And join me tomorrow for rest. So it kind of leads on from home. Somewhere where you can just rest up. Thanks for watching.